Have you heard of attraction marketing but don't know how to use it in your marketing strategy? Well, you are in luck because this video is about just that. Karina Heath here, successwithkarina.com/newsletter will get you more tips and ideas like this. So I'm going to talk about what is attraction marketing, how to use it in your business, and does it really work? So let's start with the first one. What you want to do is draw people to you to make a decision or to move on your content. You're going to provide people with information, but you're not going to tell them, oh, you need to buy this product and this is how much it costs, and don't do that. You just want to get them curious. So you're going to grab people's attention, and one of the ways you do that is you show the benefits of your product or service. But you don't sell and you don't convince. So you're going to tell them how great the product is, but don't tell them the name of the product or the name of your counseling service. You will finally get leads and sales, but it does take a while. So this is not a get rich quick or a get find leads quick. Now, how do you use attraction marketing? Well, the first thing you want to do is brand you and not your product. So every time you make a video, you want to tell them who you are, like I did at the beginning of this video. After I set the hook, and after I told what the video was going to be, asked a question, then I said who I was. And each time you make a video, or each time you make any kind of graphics with your picture on it, you are branding you. So right now, I'm branding Karina. It's a good thing to do because what happens if I'm selling or offering a product A, and then later I want to offer product B? The people who have seen my videos for product A have grown to trust me. When I move over to product B, they still know who I am. So you want, like I said, you want to brand you, not your product. The next thing you want to do is define your ideal audience. It's also called target audience. I like to say ideal because it helps me align with the people that I want to work with. And when I say target audience, it kind of sounds like I'm shooting something, and I don't want to be shooting stuff at people. And when we define our ideal audience, you get to discover and understand their challenges and their pain points, because you're going to be offering solutions to those challenges and pain points. You're going to create content that offers solutions. Sometimes people want to hold back and keep all their good stuff for them and not produce it in content. Well, don't be that person. Include all of your good stuff, because there's more in-depth things you can offer. And from what I understand, when you give out all of this really good stuff, not very many people are going to actually take action. So don't hold back on the content. Make content like I'm doing right now with video. You can make short video, long form video. You can make graphics with information. You can do things like ebooks and courses. All kinds of things are considered content. And you want to connect your content and talk about the benefit to their problem. So how is your process, how is your service, how is your product going to offer a solution to the people who are watching. In this case, in this video, I'm offering a quick 3-minute, 5-minute synopsis of what attraction marketing is. Then you get to decide if you want to pursue it further, contact me for more information, whatever it is. But I'm connecting it to a solution to the problem of not knowing what attraction marketing is. And then you get to build relationships with people. So as you go through the content, making videos, making graphics, branding yourself, you're building relationships. You can also connect with people in Facebook Messenger or Instagram Messenger or TikTok Messenger. And then you're going to engage with them. So when you make your posts on Facebook, ask a question, and then they should want to answer the question. People like to be drawn in, like I said at the beginning, draw them in to move, to make a decision. Now, does attraction marketing work? Well, of course it does, but it doesn't work overnight. And it also depends on your execution of how you apply the strategies in attraction marketing. So follow the process, know your audience and their pain points, create content, connect with people in Messenger, email, what have you, and you're off to the races to make attraction marketing work for you.